So hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Exam Buddy. So now we do assignment of data analytic with Python week 12. The first question is in discussion 3 algorithm attribute selection method is used to, and the answer is option B. Question number 2, card follows the which approach while building trees, and the answer is option A. Question number 3, the Gini index is mainly used for, and the answer is option B. Question 4, the information gain is based towards, and the answer is option A. Question 5, Jan ratio is and used to, and answer is option D. Question number 6, which of the following ensured the binary splits in discussion tree, and the answer is option C. Question number 7th, in hierarchical clustering HAC stands for, and the answer is option B. Question number 8, the Euclidean distance formula is used, and the answer is option C. Question number 9th, label encoder in Python is used for, and the answer is option B. Question number 10, the function fit transform in coding, and the answer is option C. So now we submit the answer. The answer is submitted successfully. So if you want any course of assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing: subscribe our channel so you get the answer in future. So goodbye, have a nice day.